Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your profile under BC PNP online step by step. Before I proceed further, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe because I regularly upload videos, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, this online profiling is used under various processes for British Columbia PNP. So I'm in the step of creating the profile. So you need to select an email address. You need to confirm that. Then you need to select a user ID, minimum 7 characters. Next, password. Select security questions. Now after that, the personal information section. So I'm just creating a profile for a person, let's say John Smith. Have you ever used any name? Let's say no. Date of birth, let's say this guy was born in, I have gone too far. Let's say 1988. July 1st, the Canada Day. Country of birth, let's say this guy was born in India. Let's say he was born in New Delhi. He is male. Passport, I just created a sample Indian passport. Passport country India. Issue date, let's say this was issued in 2016, July 1st. July 1st. Primary contact, phone number, include a country code. So yeah. Residential address, let's say he is in India, so India 1 New Delhi Street. In state, wow, it picked up. How did you learn about BCPN? It's a CIC website, so I click on register. Here you need to confirm. So you get a confirmation email that you need to click and confirm. So I have confirmed the email that came on the other device, so I'm going to sign in. So user ID, password, okay. Now you have you want to work in BC or you want to invest and manage a business. So let's say the guy John Smith is a skilled immigrant, so he will go here. Skilled immigration aspirant to BC stream, also work with international graduates. Okay. So which one you would like? Let's say skilled worker. So if you want to apply under Express Entry BC, then you need to create a profile under Express Entry, job seeker validation code, and offer a full-time employment offer, 2 years directly rated experience, valid English language test result, salary should be meeting the expectation, legal immigration eligibility, intent to reside in BC, the employer must meet all general employer requirements. Okay. But assume this guy does not have a job offer, then what else he can do? So I've gone for skilled immigration, skilled worker, an offer of indeterminate full-time employment in NOC, 2 years direct experience, valid. So let's say for the purpose of this video, this guy does have a valid job offer. So let's see. So we have gone to the next page where we are going to update information about registrant, education, job offer, work experience and language, and submit. So some of the data is already pre-populated. No. In the past, no. You need to put express entry, profile information. So I'm just typing some random details. Submission expiry date, so let's say 2020 03 14. Job seeker validation code, CRS, let's say 454. NOC, let's 2113. Job title, let's say programmer analyst. Let me see, I have just put random values, so let me see it accepts or not. Oh wow, it accepted without any validation. What is the highest level of education you have completed? It's a bachelor's degree. When did you complete? So let's say this guy completed in 2012. July 25. Did you obtain this education in Canada? Let's say no. Did you have a ECA? Yes. If yes, then it was done by WES. ECA number they ask. Yeah, with this they can do all the validations. Next. Job offer. Legal name of organization, so let's say BCIT. Operating name, if job title programmer analyst, NOC 2174. Wage, hourly wage, let's say $49. Annual wage will be verified by from, let's say, $70,000. Hours of work per week, let's say 35. Do you have full-time work experience in the past year that is related to the job offer? Yes. Let me see if I go to no or next or not. I could go, okay. I did skip a lot of fields like where the experience was done and where was the employer location, but when you are creating your actual profile, don't miss anything. Be assured. Have you completed valid language proficiency test? Yes. So which one did you? IELTS. Date administrator, let's say October 16, and let's say you got 8, Test report form number, let's say. Okay, so from this stage I am not going to next, because then is the profile submission and then it will go into the pool, and that I don't want to do here because this is just a sample video. But this is how you register yourself with BC PNP. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.